Social media is the world's best free tools to increase your influence. It provides a platform for athletes, sports teams, and gyms to interact with their fan base, advertise their products and services, and grow their earnings and authority in the market. From creating cultivated, relevant content to staying on top of current trends, considered co-branding partnerships, and more. So let's explore the best ways for athletes and sports teams to grow their followers on Instagram.
Mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing.
Hey guys, welcome to Creative, where we help athletes, sports marketers, and athletic business owners learn how to build those lasting legacies beyond the game. Every Tuesdays and Thursdays, we talk about solutions that can truly change the business of sports. Today, we'll be discussing the best way to grow a sports fan base on Instagram. We'd love for you to tackle that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything in the future. So to start, let's talk about creating culturally relevant content. When hearing the words culturally relevant content, what do you think of? Maybe it's the dance trends on TikTok, the cooking shorts on Instagram, or the live tweeting on Twitter. Or perhaps you're thinking about the big news stories surrounding world issues, the Olympics, or other significant mainstream events. Whatever the case, to become a topic of conversation, increase brand awareness, and grow your followers on Instagram, you must understand your target audience and appeal to them through culturally relevant content. Start by asking yourself the following questions. How can I provide value to my audience? What social movements matter to me and to them? And what will motivate them to engage with my brand? If you've already gone through brand discovery and understand your buyer persona, these questions may be simple. The key is to differentiate yourself, share honest and good-natured content, and provide opportunities to your audience that they can't get anywhere else. You want to stand out from your competitors. A proven method to grow your social following and differentiate yourself is to share insight into your personal life. Start by sharing your story of being a young athlete with a goal, putting in hours of training, facing challenges and setbacks, and becoming a better player and person because of it. The key is to be relatable, transparent, and honest with your fans about your unique story. This not only makes them appreciate you more, but creates lasting loyalties as they become emotionally invested in you. As you generate more and more content and boost your fan base, it's essential to build a content calendar to maintain a consistent posting schedule, stay on brand, and create the best chance for a successful outcome. Maximize your paid media campaigns. Utilizing paid media campaigns is another essential component of growing your social following. This includes targeting demographics and geographics that make the most sense for your audience. A common mistake is thinking that organic growth is the best or only form of growth for athletes. The truth is, organic growth is only one piece of the puzzle, and a full spectrum of paid marketing is necessary to strengthen your global brand awareness. Organic social media campaigns are excellent nurturing tools, but they have limitations. The most notable is that you can't target a specific market, demo, or type of consumer. While growth in this category is still positive, it doesn't focus on your buyer persona and will ultimately lead to fewer conversions. In short, it's better to have a robust and intentional audience versus one which is more generalized. Introducing paid marketing endeavors is an excellent place to start to create this engaging fan base. This includes Google ads, Facebook ads, and promotions on Instagram, depending your target. This accomplishes two things. One, it will help you build a solid brand strategy, and two, it will also help you generate more targeted leads. You want to create visually captivating content. Our next tip for athletes and sports teams alike is to grow their following with shared visuals, captivating content that stands out from the other teams or from other athletes. There's a time and place for pixelated content and memes. There's also a time for serious and motivational content. Regardless of which personality you choose to employ, visual captivating content is critical. When it comes to any brand, it's essential to focus on your identity, character, and language. Remember, there are many competitors in the athletic realm, and a fan base won't support any individual simply because they're an athlete. They also have to stand for something and represent values and ideals that the audience appreciates. Your brand's identity needs to include colors, fonts, and emotions that subconsciously bring prospects to your front door. One of the biggest lessons from social media is to understand the longevity of a user on an account. In short, the longer an individual spends consuming your content, the more likely Instagram will recommend your content to others. With a consistent brand identity, captivating visuals, and a focus on building brand awareness alongside a solid strategy, you will set yourself up for the best chance of success. As mentioned in a previous section, it's essential to stay on top of the latest trends. There's a reason why individual athletes and sports teams hire other agencies to hone in on their brand's identity and marketing efforts. As an athlete, your time is limited, and an agency will ensure you're on trend, consistent, and engaging on social media. Additionally, it's also essential to understand the current algorithm to ensure maximum visibility. While this can seem tedious, it's definitely worth the time. For example, on Facebook, your video posts get higher visibility if you include an image with text overlay. Instagram, stories get more views when you tell a short story with multiple photos or videos. You also get bonus points for incorporating polls and hashtags. While you may not have the resources of an entire sports team behind your social media efforts, studying industry trends can go a long way in helping improving your brand online. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the better you get at leveraging social media to grow your brand awareness and developing meaningful connections with fans worldwide. Show appreciation for your fans. Showing your appreciation can be providing your fans with opportunities. Refrain from gimmicky marketing solutions and instead offer discounts or give value away for free with free merchandise. Give your fans the option to contribute to the community. Shout out your notable supporters and create more emotional investing in exclusive moments. Do this and their support should feel like a natural part of the experience. As you grow, you're going to want to create co-branding partnerships. I will say it now and I will say it again. You cannot do everything as an athlete. You cannot do everything as an athlete. You can be a professional and you can be a business owner. You can develop a robust social following on Instagram. Now, what are some of those things you can't do? Is be an expert of everything. Therefore, you must develop strong alliances with other brands, companies, and agencies that help you create new products, generate content, and want to see your brand flourish. One excellent way to do so is to create co-branded partnerships. Consider the international market and partner with other companies and global influencers. This will help you target new audiences and expand your reach. Another benefit is that it will give you access to new products and services that help you maintain your competitive edge. Think of what would happen if you combine your strengths with a competitor. The possibilities could be limitless. By collaborating with other established brands, you will learn from each other and gain fresh perspectives that lead to innovative ideas. I want to thank everyone for coming to today's video. And if you want to learn more about great solutions that can change the game, again, don't forget to tackle that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps out the channel. Now, this is Zach with Creative, where business is our sport.